tremendous left hook, did it? This,
yung unang knockdown,
yung mga left
kaliwa,
hook,
diba? Tapos nung second,
kaliwa
yung
at
second
kanan.
talagang kombinasyon, nandun si Barrera sa lubid, bumaba na naman, and then the referee was counting him initially, tapos biglang tinigil na yung laban. Okay, that's the still action from round 3. Sumagot pa rin. Ito, bumagsak siya, parang delayed reaction eh.
Yeah, delayed reaction.
After the left, but normally you get that after a liver shot, but this one was to the chin.
Yeah.
That was the first knockdown.
Fantastic
Tingnan
whip.
natin ulit. Yon, bumagsak siya after isang malakas na kaliwa. Grimaces in pain. Ito naman yung pangalawang knockdown kombinasyon, left.
Takbo na siya eh.
Right.
Right to the side of the body, left, and then he went down.
He was hurt.
Wala na.
And the ref, and Bruce McTavish, binibilangan siya, pero eventually tinigil niya. Left.
That left.
Strong.
You know, they had so much power in that left hand of his. I was
Left
surprised.
to the face, right to the body. Talagang hindi na tinigilan ni Boom Boom. Si Barrera. Oh, he was so galit. Galit na galit siya sa sarili niya na hindi niya nagawa ang knockdown sa Pinoy. Celebration by the Philippines here. Great win by both Jason Pagara and now Ray Boom Boom Bautista. Panalo ang Pinoy sa rematch versus Alejandro Barrera.
This does a lot for his reputation. This does a lot for his career. Sabi ko sa'yo, before this fight, you know.
Mahalaga para sa career niya. So this shows Boom Boom is back more than ever. We're going to turn over to the ring announcer for the official result.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the official time at 2 minutes and 56 seconds of the third round. Referee Bruce McTavish reaches the count of 10. We have a winner by knockout, Ray Boom Boom Bautista. To present this special trophy is the Honorable Raul Yayoy Alcoseba.
And he deserved it. He really deserved
You
it.
can see ang tuwa sa mukha ni Boom Boom. Napatunayan niya na siya ang karapat-dapat na
Ladies and gentlemen,
winner
how about a
over
warm
Barrera.
one
Ito yung
applause for
second
the
knockdown. Binilangan siya. Ito yan, galit siya. Oh. He was pounding the floor. Naiinis siya na hindi na siya makabangon.
Kasi he was hurt from the very first round. Yung left jab ni Boom Boom had a lot of power. And this is what strength and conditioning can do for you. And he was crying as a result of this victory. He wanted it so much. Boom Boom lived up to the hopes of his fans. He's a very, very popular fighter. And Diane Castillo steps into the ring to interview Ray Boom Boom Bautista.
Ang ating winner via knockout, Ray Boom Boom Bautista. Boom Boom, congratulations again. Talagang pinatunayan mo na ikaw ang mas malakas sa Meksikano. Mukha kang galit from the first round. Gusto mo na talagang i-knockout. Yung first knockdown with your left sa third round, kwento mo.
Una sa lahat, magandang gabi sa inyo dito sa Waterfront. Salamat ako na sinuportahan niyo talaga yung boxing namin sa Pinoy Pride 3. At saka, yung laban namin, parang hindi ko alam kung sino manalo, pero
sabi mo sa akin kasi, di ba sabi ni Barrera, ina-knockout ka before round 5. Sabi mo naman, patutunayan mo na ikaw ang mag-knockout sa kanya at nagawa mo sa third round. Inaasahan mo ba na man-knockdown mo siya ganung kaaga sa laban?
hindi ko inaasahan na man-knockout ko yung si Barrera kasi magaling na boksingero, saka tactician, matibay. Hindi ko talaga inaasahan na parang nahulog, natamaan talaga sa suntok.
Pero mula sa first round, naramdaman mo ba na talagang mas malakas yung mga suntok mo at nasaktan mo na siya?
Hindi ko naramdaman pero parang lang, lumalaro lang ako sa game plan namin ng coach na tinitraining namin sa gym. Yun ang sinusunod ko kasi ginagawa ko, parang nakita ko sa laban na parang hindi siya masyado makasuntok. Kaya ginawa ko na lang lahat. Yun ang train namin.
Okay, sabi mo before the fight, gusto mo susunod si Daniel Ponce de Leon. Kaya na ba?
Ano ma'am, yun ang panahon lang makapagsasagot sa tanong na yan. Kasi ako, handa akong lalaban kung sino ang palalaban ng manager ko. Kung sa talaga, panahon lang kung sino talaga.
Congratulations once again. Fantastic win by knockout. Ray Boom Boom Bautista. We're gonna turn over to you, Ronnie. Oh, meron pa siyang gustong sabihin bago tayo mag-turn over kay Ronnie.
Salamat ako sa mga Cebuano na nanonood ngayon, sa mga fans ko, sa mga Boholano, especially to my town in Candihay. I'm very proud of you and salamat. Alam ko nagdadasal kayo para sa akin. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko ngayon na nanonood, salamat po.
Sobrang saya ni Ray Boom Bautista. Ronnie, back to you.
Thank you very much. And of course, Ray Boom Boom Bautista, sensational knockout. What's the first knockdown? Barrera kept coming forward. Tignan mo. Pasok ng pasok, sugod ng sugod. That was the left to the body actually. The left to the body. And then he kind of crumbled. Left to the body. And you know, Boom Boom showed a lot of power in that left hook of his. That one to the body kind of crushed Barrera. He went down. Pagkatapos, he got up and tried to run away, and Boom Boom followed him. That time he got him with a right to the body, left to the top of the head, another right, and that was over. End of the fight, and a big win for Ray Boom Boom Bautista in Pinoy Pride 3, the rematch.